this morning, a checkup in Boomtown. When it comes to your health or someone you love, access to quality health care is important, and there are options in a growing Central Ohio.
Absolutely, and we are committed to covering the growth in our Boomtown reports. Business, housing, education, and hospitals will all be affected, with an estimated addition of 1 million people coming to live here. It is clear that the diagnosis is that our region is experiencing a growth spurt, and the Ohio Hospital Association reports the treatment is happening in the form of investments in facilities across the state. We're talking Cleveland, Dayton, Cincinnati, and of course here in Columbus. The demand is for care from birth and midlife to Medicare and end of life. The OHA says there are 2.5 million Ohioans on Medicare, which is one factor facing the health of our state.
The other important factor also is our overall health, because in Ohio, I believe it's about 15% of Ohioans have 3 or more chronic conditions. So you're talking about asthma, you're talking about kidney disease, cardiovascular disease. And so with that comes a lot of health care ongoing too, with either medications or surgeries.
And as you can imagine, there is a bit of a competition among hospital systems, but even more collaboration among them for the greater good of those who live here in urban, suburban, and rural areas, and those who are going to arrive in the next decades. I talked with OhioHealth President of Central Market, Brian Jepson. He really guides the system's operations and strategic developments.
We're thinking about Columbus not as just one market, but as a bunch of sub-markets. And so, making investments in areas like Franklinton, a $5 million investment in Franklinton in urgent care and primary care, we really start there. And then what we do is if the needs become greater, we'll look at adding medical office space, bring specialists in. Then we may bring radiology, rehab, and we create a medical campus. So that's kind of our model.
All right, tonight on 10 TV News, I'm going to take you inside that massive Grant Medical Center project. You saw a bit of it there. The investment in what is regarded as the front door community hospital for people who live downtown, and a major referral center for the entire region. It's really pretty exciting that what's going to be happening.
Definitely, and it's great for everyone else
yes,
living
it
in the
is.
community, for sure.